Hi, this is Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler answering your bankruptcy-related questions. Let's say you have a small business and you're thinking about filing a Chapter 7. Will you be able to keep that business? Is it going to affect the running of that business? There's a lot of people out there with their own businesses these days, doing delivery work, something like that. Obviously, you can keep doing that. Doesn't matter if you have filed bankruptcy. And frankly, a lot of being able to continue with the business depends on the assets of that business. So, for instance, if you own a company that does HVAC repairs, does your company own trucks? Does it own any repair equipment? Or do you run this business simply you and your spouse going out and making calls and the equipment is owned by you personally? Or you are hiring independent contractors who own their own equipment. When you file a Chapter 7 case, a month after you file, there's the meeting with the trustee. And the trustee's job is to see if he can take any of your stuff to sell it to pay your creditors. So, really, when you're talking about a business, you're wondering what the business is worth and what its assets are. If there are significant assets, you want to make a list. You want to figure out what the pawn shop or yard sale value is so that we can talk about it and see if there's going to be any issues. And it's also important to note whether the assets are owned by the business or if they're owned by you, because that would mean different exemptions to protect that property. And then finally, of course, does the business have any value in and of itself aside from the equipment? For instance, customer lists or accounts may have value, but then again, they may only have value if you are the one providing the service, because your customers really are dealing just with you. So, for instance, an accountant may have a long list of established accounts that would be worth something to another accountant, but the trustee probably wouldn't be able to sell that business because all those accounts are going to want to go to some stranger. They're going to want to stay with you. So there's a lot of different factors to consider. Give us a call or shoot us an email so we can go over those factors with you and see if your particular business is at risk if you file a Chapter 7 case. Hope to see you soon. Hi, this is Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler answering your quick bankruptcy questions with quick answers. So one question that comes up from time to time is people want to know if bankruptcy has any kind of